So, how did the Penang art scene get famous then? What's it all about?
So during an art festival in Georgetown in 2012, they invited a Lithuanian artist called Ernest Zakarovich, may have butchered his name there, to come over and do like 6 pieces of artwork or murals on the walls, and then they just became really famous. And now there's like loads more artists have added loads of artwork as well.
I found this website online with like a list, like a suggested route. So that's what we're going to do. I think we're going to go down like to the jetty area to start our journey, and then see the first one. Right, we're on our way to the jetty. We're really close. There is our first piece of art, Folklore by the Sea. Now, it was originally called Children on a Boat by one of the original artists who came here, and but unfortunately it's completely faded, so this is a new one by a Singaporean artist, painted just a few years ago. So this is the second piece of art. What's it called?
Ama and like grandma and grandson. It's just like a happy grandma and a happy grandson.
Look at that. Grandpa and grandson. They do look happy, don't they? Grandma. That's not a grandma. That's a man. That's a man. That is it. So it's a grandparent, at least we can agree on, and a grandson. So
Yeah,
that's 2 done.
The next one is brother and sister on a swing.
Okay. So here we are. One of the pieces called Children on a Swing, or is it Boy and Girl on a Swing?
Brother and sister.
Brother and sister on a swing. Right. Tell me about this then.
Non-commissioned artwork, often mistaken as an original piece of artwork by Ernest Zakarovich, but it was by a deaf-mute self-taught artist called Louis Lung. The children in the painting are the children of the owner of the printing firm SBS Paper Products.
Okay, now we're going to go see another one.
Right, well the next one on the list is children playing basketball. However, there's another one just there in conjunction with this one called Old Soy Milk Stall.
Let's have a look at this. There seems to be another piece of art just across the road. Is that on your list?
Yeah, that's number 4.
This one across here? Children what?
Playing basketball. Apparently the basketball is gone, but the mural is as good as new.
Is this one of the originals?
No, it's by your man, Louis Gann as well.
Okay. Oh, it is roasting hot. The good thing about these ones that we've seen so far, apart from maybe the first couple, they're like out of the way of where the main tourist sites are. We're going to see some where the queue to get your photograph is just huge. But yeah, I like it. So we've reached the next one, and this is like a pastry shop, and this pastry shop commissioned their own piece of street art. Nice little marketing strategy there, and it's just around here hopefully. There it is. Look at that. And you can see as we head further into the main like heart of Georgetown, the more people. Everyone's here. Are you enjoying this little street art walk? Yeah. It's a good idea. Find a little route online and just follow it.
Yeah, next one is Boy on a Bike and Boy with Pet Dinosaur.
Boy on a Bike is one of the famous ones. And I think this is one of the originals. This is definitely one of the originals. It utilises like art and like an installation. So we're walking to the next one, which is near a parking lot or something. So that's what we're going to head for. The Genius parking lot. Passing all of this.
Oh yeah, his name's there, Addison, see?
Who's the artist?
Yeah. Painted the old woman with a monkey symbiotic mural. Both pieces can be found at the Genius parking lot.
And now we're going to go and see the most famous piece in all of Penang, Boy on a Bicycle. There's nobody here on the most famous one of all. Look, here it is. Children on a Bike, one of the originals by Ernest, whatever his name was, the Lithuanian artist. This is a good one. Children on a Bike. Celine has made it onto it. Look at that, we've got it. We need a break from this heat. I think it's like 34 degrees. It's just roasting. But before we go to a cafe, we're just going to take a photograph of these beautiful umbrellas. There you go. And there's actually some street art there. Maybe this is on our list. If it is, we've done it. This is one. Yeah, look at that. They look really good, don't they? You look like an angel of death. To escape the blistering heat, we come for a cold drink. But what was your favourite piece of street art? And why were you wearing my glasses?
I was just trying them on.
Why?
Just well, they're anyways.
You look like a school teacher. Oh, that's what you are.
So we've only seen 8 out of 16 so far on the wee route that we're doing, but out of the 8 that we've seen, it's a tough choice because I like the one on the bicycle where they want the ball, and I like the swings, and I like the basketball one, and I like the wee boy on the motorbike. But out of all those, I think I would choose the brother and sister on the swing. Maybe because it was like down a wee alleyway and it was like really quiet and there was nobody there and there was peace to like look at it and all. But I just liked the bricks on the wall alongside the swings, and that there was like a swing beside it. I thought that was nice. What was your favourite?
My favourite was the that one just down here, the famous one.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, I like that one.
Boy on the Bicycle?
I like it because it's one of the originals.
That one's nice because it's got the greenery beside it as well.
Yeah. Anyway, we've got 8 more to go after we finish these drinks. So we're back on street level because we're finding the next one, which is a purple one. A purple one, apparently. How far? 1 minute. Alright, that's easy.
So this is number 9 on the little tour that we're doing. And in the speech bubble, it used to have the words that basically translate to the little guy shouting, "I'll teach you Hokkien," which is Chinese dialect. However, the words have been obviously rubbed off.
Why?
I don't know. Wear and tear.
So behind me is number 10.
Yeah.
And it's on the same piece of art wall.
Yeah, and it's called Wo Ai Ni, which means I love you. And in our eyes, it's a celebration of the 3 main races of Penang.
Which are Indian, Malay and Chinese.
Yeah.
So now we're going to head to number 11, which is the lion dance mural, which is really close to where we've been, but we can't find it. It should be here. It should be in this area. Let me see what it looks like on the picture. This is the most annoying one to find them because they might have covered it over, because they seem to have covered over loads of it.
Maybe it was on that there. No?
No, alright, that was a fail.
Are you bothered about that there one?
No.
Right, we'll go to the next one.
Yeah. Open it. Oh my, have you done it? You've made a right mess. Watch and learn. Thanks, Jason. Here's the one. What's missing from it? What was there on the one that you looked at?
Like a...
Was it something up here? Like a... There's definitely something up there. See the guy down there with loads of tattoos? He has been following us.
He's a hitman. Someone's got a hit order out on us.
That cafe we were in, he was there.
This is the 4th time you see him. You've seen him here. Before this, he came into the cafe after we went into the cafe. Before that, he was down at the jetty, and before that, he was... Where did you see him?
By that kids reaching out of the bars and you on the bicycle.
Yeah. Right,
Let's go the opposite
back.
direction. Right, so this one is one of the originals. What they call the artist? I'm going to keep on forgetting his name.
The Lithuanian guy?
Yeah.
Ernest Sakarevich.
and this is what he did. But originally it's called boy on, well, it's called boy on a chair because there was a chair. We saw it yesterday, and what was underneath?
Like one of those yellow drums.
Like a drum. This Lithuanian guy is known as the Asian Banksy, but unlike Banksy, he's non-political, just shows scenes from Penang. Right, what's the next one?
Indian woman.
Indian woman. Let's go. It said it was difficult to find, but it was quite easy to find, wasn't it?
Yeah. Even
Look,
though it's like,
that might be one of my favourites.
it's really good. Isn't
That
it?
is really good. By a Russian artist, but looking at the pictures I've seen on it online, it's fading badly already, and it's even got a line of ants.
I can't see in the dark without you.
So we walked for about 2 minutes and we've come to the next one. What's this one about? This ice cream cone thing
Right,
with
so
flowers.
this is Beach Street that we're on, and
Yep.
this one was painted by Don John.
Don John.
Don John painted this tasty roses ice cream as part of the Urban Exchange project in 2014.
So this is the next one, and it's just opposite, and it's like called Little Girl on Numbers, and she's wearing a traditional Chinese dress. Right, so there it is, the walking tour of Penang street art. It was good, wasn't it?
It was good.
I
I
enjoyed that.
recommend
I
it,
enjoyed
yeah.
that. How long do you reckon it took? About 3 hours?
Well, we were taking our time
Yeah.
and we stopped for a wee drink because it's very hot.
Yeah, but it was definitely worth it
Yeah.
if you're in Penang.